Now, I'd say that there's a strong chance you're here because you've got a nice tent that you spent a fair bit of your hard-earned cash on, and you want to make sure that you're looking after it right. Well, good news, because you're in the right place. This video is going to be all about cleaning and reproofing your tent to ensure it performs and lasts. So first of all, why is it important to clean and reproof a tent? Well, put it this way, tents are like waterproof jackets. If you don't keep the outer fabric clean, it's going to attract dirt, it's going to attract moisture, it's going to become saturated more easily, it's going to lose its drying time, it's going to lose its breathability, and you're more likely to see condensation building up on the inside of the jacket. It's exactly the same with tents. On a tent, dirt, debris and residues can degrade the fabric, the seams and the coating over time. So regular cleaning will help to maintain the overall integrity of the fabric, preventing premature wear and tear. Then there's the damage that the sun can cause. UV rays can break down the chemical bondings in a tent fabric, leading to a process called UV degradation. This weakens the fabric, making it more prone to tearing, fading, and overall deterioration. And not only that, but UV rays can also damage the waterproof coatings on tent fabrics, things like polyurethane and silicone, causing a tent to lose its water repellency and drying time. And the solution to these problems then? Well, that lies in these two bottles, Nikwax's Tent and Gear Solar Wash and their Tent and Gear Solar Proof. Right, before I move on to the application process, if you could just consider liking this video, maybe even subscribing to this channel, that would really help us to keep growing and putting more how-to videos out there. Okay, on to the application process then. So first of all, you want to use the green bottle to prep your tent before you reproof it. This will clean and protect against UV damage. Well, it'll also revitalize any existing water repellent treatment that your tent already has. So to apply the green bottle, you simply spray it onto your tent, covering as much of the fabric as possible, and then wipe in that solution with a damp cloth before clearing away any residue that you can see on the surface. If your tent's particularly dirty, you can give it a good rinse too. If you want to add an extra layer of UV resistance and also apply a brand new water resistant coating, say if your tent has completely lost its ability to repel moisture, that's when you might want to turn to Nikwax's Tent and Gear Solar Proof. The process is exactly the same as with the green bottle. You just want to make sure that the tent is completely wet before you use this, and also that you use a dry cloth to remove any residue that's left on the tent after the process. And this is what the tent should look like after you've used the two solutions. When should you use these then? Well, my advice would be to use the green bottle as regularly as you can, just to keep the tent clean and to also just to help to maintain its performance. With the purple bottle, use this less frequently, just when you can sense that your tent is starting to lose its water repellency and its performance. You can also use these with backpacks as well, and the process is exactly the same. So clean with the green bottle first of all, and then if you need to, use the purple bottle to reproof. With the Solar Proof, I'd recommend paying attention to the base of your pack, where it might need a little extra help repelling dirt and moisture from the ground. The solutions are all totally eco-friendly, being water-based and solvent-free. What's more, the bottles are made from 100% recycled and recyclable plastic, and the company itself has managed to balance all of its carbon emissions since day one. It's a progressive company doing good stuff, but best of all, they make your kit, which, let's face it, is very expensive these days. They make your kit last a lot longer. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do consider subscribing to this channel. We're offering gear advice like this on a regular basis. And thank you very much for watching. Catch you next time.